Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Today, we're going to experiment if we can add. So, we're not really reading any manual or documentation for Blazor. So, we're going to check if we can run Entity Framework inside a WebAssembly um, application. So, they shouldn't have references to other projects except for building entity framework. So we have this code here, and the this is for running entity framework. Okay, so these are the references. Let's see if we can add this on a Blazor app. So it's now having issue. Is it building? Okay, so it's running. So um, okay, and then to run entity framework, we need to have a connection string. So WebAssembly doesn't have any connection string. Should we add it? Okay, there's a main. So the builder here is a WebAssembly host builder. It's a different builder compared to the program here. This is this is the host default create default builder, and it's going to add this startup. It's going to use this startup, and this is the startup here. Yep, and then this signal our hosted service is this one. Oh yeah, I added this. So yeah, so this is how to start a hosted service from the program, and yeah, so you can do that there, and you can also add signal hosted service here. You can add hosted service here, and you can also add it here. Yeah, so I think this is not worth our time. So there's no app settings. So uh, do we have to create an app setting here? And yeah, and the builder is different. So it needs a startup, and here it doesn't have any startup where we can define the I configuration for the services. Okay, so my theory is busted, and can we do local store? Yep. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks. Bye.